Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Charles Chinonso and I'm glad to have you here today. So if you are new to this channel, I talk about ways you can make money online and things you can do to get better results in your internet marketing activities. So in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys how you can create a YouTube channel. I'll be showing you guys how to create a YouTube channel. Congratulations if you have chosen to create a YouTube channel for yourself or if you have chosen to become a YouTuber, because this is one good way to make money on the internet. This is one good way to make crazy money on the internet. You get to educate people, you get to entertain people on YouTube with your content, and YouTube in turn pay you for your efforts. So in this video, you get to learn how to create your first YouTube channel so that you can get many views as fast as possible and monetize your channel. So guys, let's get to it. So there are two ways to create a YouTube channel. The first method requires you log into your Gmail account or log into your Google account from your web browser. Currently, I'm on my browser now and I'm already logged into my Google account. So over there, just go ahead and log into your Google account and then come to where we have the search button and search for www.youtube.com. So you can either search for this, or the easy way to go about it is just come over here where you have this square shape, then you click on it. All the Google accounts will load up. You can see we have YouTube here. So you can also come here and click on it. So either way you choose to go about it, you are not wrong, okay? So now let's head on back to the home page. So once you're at the home page, come to where you have your icon over here. You can see this logo icon here. So click on it, then you get to see create a channel. So this account does not have any YouTube channel on it before. So you can see, so we click on create a channel. All right, so over here, this is where you get to choose the name you want your channel to bear. And you also get to choose the handle you want it to bear. So, and over here, to put in your picture, your profile picture. You can use an image if you want to create a faceless channel, or you can use your own picture over here. So let me choose the name I want to use. I have a name in mind I want to use for my channel, Invisible Archive. For yourself, you get to choose any name you wish to use. So you click on create channel. So you can see over here, they said your channel is being created. Check back in a few moments. All right, so while we wait for that, in case you're having challenges creating a channel for yourself, like you don't know the name to use for yourself, probably each name you check, it's taken or it's not available, you can just go to ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT to suggest 30 channel name for you on YouTube. 30 channel name. So search for that. You see ChatGPT will suggest 30 different names for you. Can you see this? ChatGPT did not really get what I asked for. So let me retype what I said. Suggest 30 channels name around money making niche. Suggest 30 channel name around money making niche. You will see that this one will be very specific. The names that it will generate for us now will be very specific. Because if you notice, this one, parenting pro zone, is all about parenting. This one is all about nature. Like the names here are just too generic. This one is about gaming, this one is about music. So we want something that talks about our particular niche. So let's search for this and see the new names it will bring for us. Can you see exactly? We have 30 names that are around money making now. So you can see we have Business Booster Network, you have Prosperity Pulse Channel, Revenue Revolution TV, Easy N Empire. So this is how you actually get a name for yourself to use on YouTube. So let's check if our channel is ready. It's not ready yet, so I'll just go and come back after some minutes. All right, so I just refreshed my page now and I noticed that my channel has been created. Can you see Invisible Archive? Let's go ahead and customize our channel. I'll be showing you everything you need to do to optimize your channel and customize it for crazy views. So the first thing you want to do is put in a profile picture for yourself. You can see, so click on the edit profile picture, then you add a picture for yourself from your gallery. So we'll not be doing that right now, but once you're done with that, your channel will appear like this. It will have this kind of picture over here. So the next thing you want to do now is you want to click on customize channel. You can see over here it says welcome to YouTube Studio. So YouTube Studio is the back end of YouTube, like where every setting is done, like every setting where you add your keyword, where you add your tagging and everything. So click on continue. So you can see this is where you get to customize your channel and add every necessary information you need to add. So you can see the first one here is layout, then we have branding and we have basic info. So for the layout, over here you can add a trailer for yourself. Peradventure, you want people to see a video once they come to your channel, telling them what your channel is all about, what they should expect in your channel, and why they should subscribe to your channel. So that is what your trailer should be about. Then you can have a video for returning subscribers once they come back to your channel. So either of these two you want to do, just click on the add button, then you'll be able to add that video you want to add. So once you're done with these two parts, then you go to your branding, go to your branding. So over here, you have to add a profile picture. We've done that earlier. The first thing I showed you. Peradventure you don't want to use your picture, you want to use a random image. So just ensure that you use Canva and ensure that you use these specifications. You can see 98 times 98. I mean the width and the height should be 98 and 98. So just go to Canva, create a cool image that talks about your brand. Peradventure, if you want your channel to be a faceless brand. So over here, you upload your banner image. So this banner image is similar to what we have over here. You can see this, what we have over here. So that is what the banner image is all about. Once you upload your banner image, then you have something similar to what I just showed you. So you can see the specifications too. So ensure to make use of Canva, and also you can add these specifications to ensure that you get the perfect banner image for your channel that's fitting to what you want to showcase. So the next thing we have over here is your video watermark. So the video watermark could be anything. Most people usually use a YouTube icon over here. So the good thing about that is that if you use a YouTube icon over here, if people should click on that icon, it will automatically ask them to subscribe to your channel. So that is one trick I'm teaching you right now. So you can use a YouTube icon right here. It will help you gain more subscribers, just like what you're seeing down here. Can you see it? And also, you can also use your picture over there. You can use anything, but either one you want to use, ensure that you stick to the specifications over here. You can see 150 times 150. So just click on the upload button, then you can be able to upload either of the two you want to do. So then we head on to where we have basic info. So over here, you have to add the description of your channel. So this is where you get to tell people what your channel is all about. You describe your channel to them. So whatever you write here will appear like this. So you can see what we have here. I share value and information around entrepreneurship, internet marketing, and money making. Can you see? So that is what the description is all about. You can see all this. Subscribe if you got value. And down here, you can add your email. Peradventure, you want people to reach out to you through your email address. You can add your email over here. And if you want people to connect to you on other platforms, you can also add a link here. You can just go to your Twitter account, copy the link to your profile, and add it here. Automatically the Twitter icon will show down here, whereby once they click on it, they'll be able to come to your Twitter account. You can add your Instagram, your LinkedIn, whatever you wish to add, so that people can reach out to you on those platforms. So we are done with this part. I think I need to show you guys something also. So back to where we have layouts, we need to scroll down to see some other features. So you can see here we have featured sections. So over here, you can segment your videos into sections. So automatically, YouTube already segments your videos into sections for you, whereby if you are into creating short videos, all your short videos will come down here. And if you are into creating videos, it will come down here, whereby whoever clicks on your channel, they will see all your videos segmented into short videos, and they'll see some that are the long ones segmented into videos. But then you can add your own specific kind of segments, like you can segment it to your own preference. You can just click on add section, then you can see you have popular videos. If you want popular videos to be what are on your screen, so you can just click on popular videos, then it will automatically appear. Can you see? So that way, once people come to your channel, everything is organized. Like they'll know where to find the popular videos, they'll know where to find the videos and the short videos. So once you start uploading any video that's top the charts or top the ranks, they will all appear here if they are very popular. And over here, the short ones will appear and the videos will appear. So that being said, let's move on to where the major work is done. So the next thing you want to do now is you want to come to where we have setting over here. Can you see setting down here? So just click on setting. So this is where you do the work that helps your channel become searchable on YouTube. So under general, you can see we have the US dollar here. This is a default currency. So you can leave this like this. It doesn't make any difference if you change it to your local currency. So just leave it like this. So come to where we have channel and click on channel. So down here, you have to choose your country of residence. So since I'm in Nigeria, I'll choose Nigeria. So any country that applies to you, just choose that country. So let's choose Nigeria. So over here, you have to add keywords. Now listen, this place is very important. You need to find out keywords that are related to your niche. Do you understand? You need to find out keywords that are related to your niche. Let's assume you are into the money making niche. You can just simply go to YouTube and find out keywords that are related to money making niche. So let's go to YouTube. Let me show you what I'm saying. I'll search for make money online. Let's see all the keywords it will bring for us. So make money online. So can you see? So for example now, If your channel is all about making money online, it means you want to put in this first keyword you are seeing here. You want to put the second one, which says make money online 2024. You want to put the third one, and on just putting everyone that relates to you. Can you see they are all about making money online? We have make money on YouTube, make money watching YouTube videos. So put everything. Like for example, now this make money with Goodman, it does not relate to you, right? So you know how to put such. So just put everything that relates to what your channel does. So just carefully do your research and find out keyword that people are actually searching for. So once you're done with your research, any keyword you gather, you should just come here and add it. Add the keyword here, then you put comma in between. Once you're done writing a keyword, just add comma. And lastly, ensure that you add your channel name as a keyword. That is very important. That way, whoever search for your channel on YouTube will find your channel. So for example, since my channel is Invisible Archive, I'll write something like Invisible Archive, Invisible Archive. So the next one, you write it together. When people are searching for your channel, they could actually search for it anyway. Do you get? So write it together, write it separately. And if there are abbreviations that relates to your channel, you can also add it as a keyword. Hope you understand that part. So these are ways you make your channel searchable on YouTube. Do you understand? That way, if people go to YouTube and search for Invisible Archive, either of the two ways they choose to search for it, they'll definitely see my channel. I hope you understand this part very clearly. So the next thing you want to do now is you want to move on to where we have advanced setting. So the best thing is for you to just choose no, set this channel as not made for kids. Well, it depends on what you are trying to create. So I believe you should know what works best for you. So down here, this is where you link your account when you're ready for monetization. So we'll not be discussing that yet because you've not gotten to that stage. So then click on feature eligibility. You can see all this. So you want to ensure you enable all these. So the first one is already enabled for me. In case yours is not enabled, just go down there, open this and read everything that is needed of you to enable yours. So the next one is intermediate features. It means for you to be able to upload videos that are over 15 minutes, create custom thumbnails and do live streaming, you want to ensure you enable this part. So just click the drop down arrow and verify your phone number. You can see, just click on verify phone number, add your phone number and verify it. That way you'll be able to upload videos that are longer than 15 minutes. You'll be able to add custom thumbnails and also do live streaming. So the fourth one, which is increase daily video uploads and live streaming. Probably if you want to upload more than 2 videos in a day or more than 1 video in a day, then you want to ensure you enable this part. So let's check what criteria is needed to enable this part. Clicking on the drop down arrow, you can see they said you should enable the intermediate features and one of these. So either you do video verification or you submit your valid ID card or channel history. Channel history means after a long period of uploading videos, this will be enabled automatically for you. These are the things you need to do for you to optimize your channel for searchability. So once you are done with all this, then you want to ensure you click on save so that you can save everything you've added. So let's go back to other features of the YouTube Studio. So coming over here, this is where you get to see your monetization journey. So let's click on Earn. So you'll be able to track what you need to become a partner on YouTube. So if you scroll down, you get to see the requirements. Can you see how do I join? They said you should reach 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 watch hours for you to become monetized on YouTube. So you want to ensure you achieve these 4,000 watch hours within 365 days. That way, you'll be able to be monetized on YouTube. So basically, that is what it takes to become monetized. You can either go for this and this or this and this. It means you can either go for 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours or 1,000 subscribers and 10 million short views. So anyone that works fine for you, then you go for it. And also you can click on email me whenever you reach the requirements. That means whenever you hit this target, YouTube will automatically email you that you've gotten the requirements to become monetized. The thing is, getting to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours shouldn't be very difficult for you, especially hitting 1,000 subscribers. I actually made a video on how you can hit 1,000 subscribers as fast as possible. So you'll be seeing a pop-up on this video right now. Just click on it and you get to see how you can hit 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. Or you can go to the video description and check for the link on how you can hit 1,000 subscribers. So let's move ahead to where we have copyrights. So over here, this is where you get to see those that have requested for you to take down your videos because you stole their content or because you infringe on their content. So I want to advise you guys to be careful with the kind of content you create. Don't just go and steal people's videos on YouTube to create yours. You want to ensure you follow the fair use policy if at all you be taking people's content. Alright, so let's move on to other part of this video tutorial. So where we have this audio library, this is a library whereby you can choose any music to add to your video. You can choose any sound to add to your video. So you can see, just download any one, then add it to your video background. Peradventure, you want your video to have a sound, like a musical sound. And all these musics and sound you are seeing here, they are all free, they are all copyright free, okay? So that way you can easily use any of them without getting copyright query. So let's scroll up a bit and see other features. So this is another important part of this video, which says analytics. So over here you get to track how your channel is performing in a particular duration of time. Peradventure, you want to track how well it performed in 28 days. You get to see the number of watch hour you've attained, you get to see the number of subscribers you've gotten, and even the number of views you've gotten within 28 days. If you want to see how well you've done in 365 days, just click on this drop down arrow over here and click on 365 days. We have the one for 90 days and we have also for 7 days. All this is very simple. Just once you're done creating your channel, you can just play around this place, and with time you get to understand everything better. So this is just an overview of your channel performance. You can also go to where we have content and see how well your content are doing. You can go to where we have audience and see where your audience are watching from and how they are coming back to your channel, and many more. So basically, this is how you create a YouTube channel that is well optimized for searchability. Alright, so if you notice, I already signed out of my Gmail account. So I want to show you guys how you can create a YouTube account without using the Gmail process. So just go to www.youtube.com and search for that. So once you search for that, then it will bring up this page for you. So you can see over here we have sign in. So you have to click on sign in. So then this will come up. Then they'll ask you to create an account. So you click on create account over here. Then you'll be able to create a new account for yourself. So you just choose for my personal use if you want to use it for yourself or for your child or for work or business. So for our sake, we'll be using my personal use. So over here, you put in your name and your last name. So let me just do that briefly so that you get to see what I'm saying. I don't intend to create an account for myself, so I'm just trying to do this to show you guys. So I might not finish the process so that you see what I'm saying. So when you click on next, then the next part is they'll ask you to put your birthday month. So let's do that. I'll be choosing some random information. So I'll choose February 01, 2002. Then I'll choose mail. So when I click on next, then the next part is they'll ask you to choose the email you want to use. So just put the email address you wish to use. So once you are done with that, then you click on next and automatically you would have created a new Google account. So once you're done with that, you click on next and it will take you to YouTube directly. It will take you to YouTube. So that way you'll be able to go to where we add create channel. You remember the step we took earlier. You remember the step we took at the initial stage. So you'll be able to go to where we have create channel. And once you click on create channel, then you are inside the process already. So basically, this is how you create a YouTube channel for yourself that is well optimized for searchability. So I believe you enjoyed this video and got value. So if you did, ensure to hit on the subscribe button and share this video with your friends so that they can also get value from this video. See you in the next video. Bye guys.